Hi everyone, welcome back to another nail video. Today I want to show you how you can remove chunky 3D charms like the ones I have on right now. These are actually metal charms that are shaped like body piercings. So I've had these for about, I want to say 3 weeks, maybe a month. I want to take these off. I know a lot of times people are very intimidated about the removal process for charms and 3D art. I'm going to show you guys how you can safely remove it on yourself and on clients. The tool that I'm going to use are these big nippers here. You can find these at your local beauty supply or drugstore. I bought these at Nail Partner Japan about 2 years ago, I believe. So if you plan on removing charms from clients, I do recommend practicing on yourself first because you can easily hurt someone if done incorrectly. I highly recommend trying this out on yourself first, see how much pressure you should apply. These are very encapsulated. Like I'm looking at them right now, they're very smooth. So what I want to do is I kind of want to break off the top layer of the gel, the encapsulated layer, the top layer, and kind of just remove some of it. That way I can reach the metal and not pry it off. Kind of want to give it like a little pinch so it can start lifting. If I give you a side profile view of my nails, you can see that the charms are sticking out. So this one's going to be pretty easy to remove. The one on my thumb will be pretty easy as well. The one that I'm kind of worried about is this one, the one on my index. These are flat metal studs. Actually, I think these are plastic. They're very well encapsulated and they're pretty flat. So if you ever have this issue where like you can't really go in and pinch it and break off the top layer because it's very smooth, like see, I can't even grab it with this, like I can't, it's too smooth. What I would recommend is a file with an 80 grit zebra file like this one, and just remove the top layer first, the top layer of gel, and just kind of work your way through all that gel that's sealing the charm, and then you can go in with the nippers. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my thumb. So I'm just grabbing this corner here with my nippers and very gently, not pointing downward like this. You can easily pinch your nail bed if you do that, and you can injure yourself. So see how I'm just going into this corner here, and some of the gel's already coming off. I can already see the metal. You can see the exposed charm right here. The gel's coming off. I'm gonna do this corner. These nippers are so strong that they're actually cutting through the metal. If you have to use the file, go ahead and use the file. I'm gonna use it a little bit. Do you guys see that? How I'm just... Alright, so I'm having a hard time taking this one off, so I'm just going to go in with my 80 grit file just to kind of help me remove this top layer of gel. It is heavily encapsulated. If you feel like the nippers are just not cutting it, you can use the file or a drill. But I recommend the file because you can easily mess up your bits. Now that I filed off more gel, it's gotten a little flat. I can go in with the nippers, and with this sharp point here, I can go in underneath the charm. You see how it's coming off? Look at that. You can even take it off with your finger. It honestly depends on the charm. These are very flat and they lay very flat on the nail, so they are a little harder to remove. But if you're trying to remove chunkier art that doesn't lay flat on the nail, you'll probably have an easier time removing. I'm going to soak my nails in acetone once I remove the majority of the gel. So moving on to this one here, I hope this one doesn't give me a hard time. I'm gonna go in with my nippers. I'm gonna get this side right here with the nippers. and I have a pretty good grip on it. So what I'm going to do is just gently move my nippers in a circular motion because I am cutting the gel. Do you guys see that? So one more time, I'm just gonna get a grip, very gentle. Remember, don't point downwards because you can pinch and damage your nail bed. All right, so now I'm gonna do the other side, and I'm just gonna go in a circular motion, kind of breaking off that top layer of gel. That's basically what we're doing. We're cutting it, we're lifting it. That way we can get the charm exposed so we can remove it. You can even go with your finger. Look at that. Do you guys see that gel in it? There you go. So I'm just gonna pinch it. I'm gonna pinch the rest of the charm gently, very gently. All right, so I'm just cutting off some of that gel. When I'm pinching, I'm basically cracking the gel. Do you guys see that? Look how it's coming off. And if you're worried about this damaging your nails, don't be worried about that because remember, there's a layer of gel underneath. I have a base coat on, I have the clear gel on, I have sculpting gel on, so it's a lot of layers underneath. So now I need to get this little end right here. There you go. That was so easy. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I still have to remove this hand, but yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Remember to practice on yourself first before you try this on others. And yeah, thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.